Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer crypto from Binance to Ledger Nano S+. When you store your crypto on an exchange like Binance, the exchange manages your accounts and private keys. With Ledger, you create your accounts and have full control over your private keys. To transfer crypto from Binance to your Ledger Nano S+, go to Binance.com and log in to your account. In the top menu, select Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Now, click on Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and enter the amount. Now, switch to your Ledger device to generate your deposit address. Before proceeding, ensure you select the correct network for the transaction. This ensures your crypto is securely transferred to your Ledger Nano S+. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.